In this tech tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a page that you have created in one funnel and move it to a different one so you can reuse it. So this is the thank you page for this funnel, this one right here. This is what it actually looks like. And I want to have similar thank you page for after somebody makes a purchase from this page. And so what I need to do is I need this page, the thank you page, to be moved over. Notice that this is the funnel name. I need it to be moved over to this funnel name, and I need it to be at the bottom. So the way this is going to work is I don't want to mess up this funnel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over the three dots and I'm going to click on duplicate. It will ask me, are you sure you want to create a copy? I'm going to confirm. And now you will see that I've created a copy. And this will be the same name and the word copy. Then I'm going to click on the three dots for this. I'm going to click on move. I'm going to click on the drop down. And I'm going to do a search. Mini, which is the one I'm looking for. This one. And I'm going to click on save. Now when I'm in this funnel again, DCT mini course, I can refresh this page and I can scroll down. And here is the thank you page, exactly where I want it. Now, in case I want to switch the position, I can actually drag it as well. In this case, I actually do. I'm going to drag it to the right spot exactly. And I will change the names. I will say thanks, like so. And then I will change the URL. And I'm going to just click anywhere. You will see this check mark. And now the URL is changed. The name's changed. And this page is actually going to be the identical one that you saw a moment ago that I wanted to use again. And now that I've done that, I can actually go into editing the page and I can customize the page as I see fit. Just wanted to let you know that I have a private school community where I actually answer all these questions in detail and within 24 hours. If you'd like to check it out, go to aran.link/myschool. Link is going to be in the description. Cheers.